what's up? We have got 2-3 inches of snow on the ground, and per our contracts we're gonna have more than 4 inches of snow on the ground by 5 o'clock, which means we have to go out and do an open up, which means we just have to pull in front of the garage doors, clean up the driveways a bit. Nothing fancy, just so people can get in and out and they got easy access. And then we have to go back after that, once it's done snowing, and clean it all up. So it's gonna be a long night. We're gonna be plowing for the next 12 to 16 hours straight, and we're started on the first cup of coffee. We are currently right behind the plow. Snow is going sideways. To give everyone an idea of how hard it is actually snowing right now, I plowed this not 30 minutes ago. That's how much snow we got. Just got all these done down here, these townhomes. Headed that direction, you can't barely see anything. Windows are all getting full of crap. This is totally an uphill battle. Alright, quick update on the snowfall totals. A lot of snow. This is not getting any easier. Thank God for heated mirrors, otherwise we'd be screwed. I don't want to put the camera outside to get video because it's snowing so much. Easily got a foot of snow now. This is the most snow we've had in a good while. Alright. Update. Grabbing the shovel, because I gotta go shovel. Got easily a foot of snow. Not letting up for a few more hours. Alright, just got the memo from Colton that he's stuck. So we are headed to go find him. Some gentleman and his pup out here walking. Woo 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 to you too. Where is he at? Down there. I don't even have to have the plow down when I drive through the snow, and it still pushes snow. That's how bad it is. Oh. That's not so good. Stuck. That should work.
You have a hitch in the back?
Yeah. Just leave it on there. No. Should be fine. Shunt it? I don't think there's a hitch.
Yeah, I would.
Hook it to the other side then. see how this works. Oh yeah, this is not looking promising at all. Well, that's not good.
You have to turn around. You have to hook it to the back.
Well, there's not a hitch in there. Well, messed that up. Thought we were recording, but I guess not. Jump in that machine. Jump in the machine. It's rolling away. These damn old machines always roll away on you. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna just have to pull that whole panel out because I don't want to smash it into a garage door or something. Another job well done. Holy smokes. This light really blinds you, doesn't it? Alright, folks. I guess, small lot of rubber. We'll just keep moseying then. That thing does not like to push snow, does it? Not in this heavy stuff. Best we can do though. Alright, so we just finished up here and I've got to go back to the site that we started at to open it up again because it is snowing so much. It's 8 o'clock now. We were on site at 2 o'clock and we just got done opening up. So now we're gonna go back and kind of start over with the open ups. The snow has let up a little bit, but not a whole lot. So we're gonna open up that other site, then we're gonna be back tomorrow or later tonight once it's done snowing to clean everything up and give it the final once over.